With other builders, they didn't tell me up front that, well, you can buy this house and it'll be a cheaper price, but it wouldn't have everything in it. With Tabor, everything that I wanted, I got to pick out, and it did not cost me any extra. That's what I liked. It didn't, and the house was beautiful, and it had everything that I wanted in there. So that's what I liked about Tabor: honesty. My good friend, she loves Tabor. And she was like, let's go look at a Tabor home. And we went in Moore to look at the Tabor homes, and I loved it. I love the Julie, that's what I have. It had everything that I ever wanted. And I just like that everything that I wanted, I have. It's the house of my dreams. My experience has been, it's more than I could have imagined. It made me feel like I was the only homeowner that they had to deal with, even though I know that they weren't, but I felt that way. So I'm just super blessed to have, to be a part of the Tabor family.